Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel and you know my name. My name is Vivek Pandey. So guys, today we are going to discuss about fourth question in the series of problem solving in Java. We are solving the problems on arrays guys. Hope you remembered it. Yeah. Now, fourth one to to know or to solve this we need to have idea on the third question. So I do request you all to please go and watch third question before watching this video. Okay, because this is a related with that third question. This question is related with third question. So here the question is in the last problem we solved the duplicates, like a removal of duplicates from a sorted array sorted array. But here we have used what? Array extra array We have used extra array means what? Space complexity is more. Now we are just trying to see, can we do with using only one array. So now here the fourth question is all about solving the same problem, but by using without any extra array. This is the question guys, can we do that? So it is like removing the duplicates, or we can say print the unique values from a array. Okay, so I guess you all understood by this. Yeah. Now let's understand how we can do this. Let me get to this paint here. So in the last we have done with our two arrays you have taken, but here I have taken already one array for you all. Now this is my pointer. This is my I pointer. Okay. Now this is what? This is another pointer. This is what? RD. I have taken. This is going to be helpful for me. Now we are going to do the comparison in between this only. Like how we are going to do is same from this element to this element like this. So how we are going to do is as RD is equal to 0 I have taken. Now initially I will start from first index I will be. Okay. And I will take one more pointer here. So one more pointer that will be RD, and which is starting from a 0th index. So here it is. Uh, Now let me fill some color in this also. Mm, mhm. This is my yellow, and this is RD means this a variable appointed. Now RD, control C, control V. Yes. Now this is my RD. Good. Now what I'm doing is I'm just checking what we have here. We have duplicates 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. So I need to remove these duplicates. Okay. Now whenever I'm removing the duplicate, what I have to do is I need to compare, right? So let's compare it. Now what we are going to do, RD is at a 0th index and I is at first index. Now we need to check whether both are same or not. Yes, 3 and 3 both are same. When it is both are same, just simply what I have to do is I need to increase this I value, I plus plus. Yes, because both are same means what? Duplicates. Now 3 and 4, RD and I, both values are different. When it is different means what? It means unique value is existing. So whenever there is a unique value, what we have to do here, this RD, I have to increase the RD now. Okay, so now I am increasing the RD. Now what happens when I'm increasing the RD? Now these two things, I need to store this I, this 4 I have to store here in the array of RD. Okay, that I think that I have to do. So take this 4, Control C, and then I need to store it here. So when I'm storing here, it will be gone. So 4 is here. Done. Now what happens is, now again, once it is done, now again I need to increase my I, because the condition is correct, everything is correct. Now I plus plus. So I is increasing again here. Done. Now again it will check. RD, this 4 and 5 both are same. Both are not same. It means both are not same. What is the meaning of this both are not same? It means duplicate is not there. Yes, it means it is a unique value. Whenever it is a unique value, then what we have to do, we have to increase this RD, and then we have to replace. We have to take this 5, and I need to like insert here, store it here. So please, here it is. So before that, I need to remove this part 4. Now I can take this 5 here. Done. This is done. Now once it is done, now what I have to do, now this I value will be increasing. Now again it is going to compare this both 5, like here RD and I element both are being compared. Now both are same. Yes, 5 and 5 both are same. When both are same means both are duplicates. When both are a duplicate, it means what? What is the meaning of this? Both are duplicates. Yeah. So it means we have to increase. We have to not go into the condition. Just increase this. Now RD and I both are same. No, both are not the same. This is different and this is different. It means it is not duplicate. It is unique value. When it is unique value, we have to increase this. Now I have increased this. Yes. Yeah. Now whenever I increase this, now what I need to do, in this position I need to take this 6. Yeah. So I need to remove this first. Delete, and then C V here. Up to here I got. Fine. So up to here we have got, and now my array got, it is not having any, it is still having, but I need to print till where? Till RD only I need to print. RD or RD plus 1 we can print to get all this, or RD is less than equal to, we can say that. So this all will be getting printed up to here, up to this part. Okay, up to this part we can print it. Okay, so now let's code, guys, this. Now we are going to code here. Okay, so now let me write the code for this. Main method. Now I need to create what? My array. My main method I created. Now array. How to create array? We already know. Int arr, and the bracket is equal to, and then I'm just taking here random 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, I think some duplicates I have taken. Now here int rd is equal to 0, and then now what I have to take, I need to traverse. From where I have to traverse this? From int I is equal to 1. From 1 I am traversing, and then I is less than what? Length of the array. Arr dot length, and then I plus plus. Now here I need to write the condition. What is the condition? If arr of rd is not equal to arr of I, then what we have to do, simply we are just increasing the rd. rd plus plus, and then after this, once it is increased, means I got a place to replace the duplicate. Now here, now I need to replace, where I need to store in the rd, what I am storing, ARR of I. That's it. Now once this is done, everything is done. Now only just we need to print. How to print? For I is equal to 0, I is less than and equal to, up to what? Up to RD, till RD only I need to go in order to print that. I plus plus. Now here, see, so now here ARR of I. I'm just printing I plus, okay, and I'm removing this. Okay. Now it's done. Now let's see whether it's working or not. 3 4 5 6 7, yes, yeah, duplicate elements are removed, guys, so you can try this. Yeah, so only this is the main logic here. So in this case we are not using any extra array. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video.